This is Team DigiTour Technologies Private Limited from Karnataka, India. India has a rich heritage and millions of tourists visit every year to understand the history of India. The biggest challenge most of the tourist faces are information challenge. Although guided tour service available with the human intervention, the availability of expert guides are very limited. Connectivity gap and diversity in terms of language are two major barriers in terms of making the tourist understand the history. To address this issue, DigiTour Technologies has developed a combination of content delivery technique and delivering content even in the absence of internet. Our entire content is available in different foreign languages as well as several regional Indian languages. Any tourist can opt for the services at the premises of the temple or monument. We have developed a 360-degree panorama content for several monuments of India. All the tourists need to do when he drop into the monument, he can purchase a scratch card and connect to our locally hosted devices, or he can leverage our services using a net banking or credit card. Once the tourist connects to the locally hosted devices, it gives a visual retreat on his mobile phone. Tourist can browse the entire monument using his fingers. It gives a fantastic graphical interface and 360-degree view across the monument. It also provides offline Google service. It helps the tourist to navigate the monument and also moving from one monument to other monument. Let me walk you through one of the beautiful monument in Hampi, which is the Vijayavattala temple. So as you see, it shows a guided arrow marks which can help the farm tourist to move from one place to other place. Let me take a look at the left guided mark. So this is a dancing temple. The tourist can go through each and every details of the sculpture. He can enlarge it, he can minimize it. So this gives a complete information right from every minute detail about the temple. It also helps in recreating the history, understand the history in detail for each and every sculpture and each and every monument. Right now we are standing in front of the most iconic sculpture Hampi, which is a stone chariot. As you see, there are small speaker-like icons which helps the tourist to understand detailed information about the stone chariot. Let me click on one on the front side.
The front of
Hope
the
you
chariot,
can hear the background
two
noise.
elephants are positioned as if they are pulling the chariot. In fact, these stone
They can
elephants,
pass in between, they can move to some of the speaker.
once there was a dome-like superstructure over the chariot. The superstructure was seen
So
on
let me pause here. I'm navigating towards one of the most iconic sculpture, which is a musical pillar in Hampi. This musical pillar hall has around 56 different pillars. Each pillar produces a different kind of a noise. Unfortunately, of late, government has banned knocking these pillars. However, using our technology, we can recreate the history how actually the pillars used to produce the noise. So let me click on this particular icon. So you can pause it. Let me show you the sound of some of the pillar. So I'll show the sound of this pillar. Apart from that, once the farm tourist is back to the hotel, he can even enjoy the virtual reality tour of the monument. All you need to do, he can click on this particular VR icon. Using a wearable device, you can experience the visual retreat of Hampi. Thank you so much.